Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe by tapping on that subscribe button below and also tapping on that notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Today, I'll be showing you the package that I received from our friends from Hello Glow and Ever Bilena.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
So we received this box and in it is one set of Advanced Rejuvenating set. We also received their 3-in-1 Lifting Serum and also their Ultralight Matte Sunscreen Broad Spectrum UVA UVB Protection. One box of Advanced Rejuvenating set which has Get Bright Pore Toner, Low pH Hydrating Cleanser, Ultralight Matte Sunscreen SPF 30, and Nourishing Night Cream. It's all in this one box. They also sent us one 3-in-1 Lifting Serum. This is made in Korea. And one bigger sample of Ultralight Matte Sunscreen Broad Spectrum UVA UVB Protection, which is an oil control, matte finish, and skin blurring sunscreen. So I'll be talking about each product one by one so that you would know what the products are made of and what the benefits are. I really love the packaging. It's powdery blue, and if you know, I love the color blue, color of the ocean or the sea. First off, when you want to use a rejuvenating set, clean your face using their cleanser. For Hello Glow, they have their low pH hydrating cleanser, which has hyaluronic acid and multivitamins. This controls shine, unblocks pores, and is gentle deep cleansing for the skin. This is a tube of 60 grams. For the use, you need to make sure you squeeze a pea-sized amount of the cleanser to moistened hands. That means when you cleanse your face, you have to make sure your face is already wet. Then you put the pea-sized here onto your fingertip and lather it well before applying it evenly onto your face. Make sure it already produces foamy substance before you wash it out, okay? And if possible, include cleaning up your neck as well and your chest area. And that's just my suggestion because that's actually my routine. When I clean my face, make sure you also include the neck and this part over here. They're recommending you to lather this on your face, massage for 30 seconds at least in a circular massaging motion. This is perfect to normal to dry skin. 30 seconds mo mag-apply. And if you have combination to oily, make sure you massage it for 45 seconds. Use twice daily, and that's going to be in the day and also the night. So if you usually take your bath in the day, you can wash your face with this during your bath. Or just like me, I usually take a bath in the afternoon because I work in the graveyard shift. I usually take my bath in the afternoon. So you can use this during your bath and also before you go to bed. Okay, so that once again is Hello Glow Low pH Hydrating Cleanser. Next in the box is their toner. This is the Get Bright Pore Toner, which has kojic acid and PHA. And it gently exfoliates, lightens pigmentation, and soothes skin irritation. This is a 60 ml bottle. And the directions for use is apply twice daily after cleansing. So every time you clean your face, make sure you also apply toner afterwards. Make sure to put a few drops onto a cotton or a cotton pad and gently smooth over the face and neck. Lightly shake the product before using it. Alright. Next product inside the box is the Ultralight Matte Sunscreen SPF 30, which has Centellia asiatica and ceramides. It controls oil, velvety matte finish, and instant skin blurring. This tube is 10 grams. And this bigger size is actually the most requested sunscreen in the market for Hello Glow. It has 50 grams inside the pouch. It's just the same product. It's just that it has a different container and of course different size. For the sunscreen, directions for use. Apply Ultralight Matte Sunscreen during the day over the face and neck 15 minutes before sun exposure. Reapply every 2 to 3 hours. That is for the sunscreen. The product information at the back of the sunscreen is more detailed. It has Centellia asiatica, or commonly known as Sika, known for calming, soothing, and moisturizing effects. Hexyl resorcinol, a skin brightening agent that reduces the appearance of skin blemishes. Niacinamide provides anti-aging benefits to the skin. And 3 types of ceramides, which helps in restoring the skin barrier and retains hydration to keep the skin looking healthy, firm, and supple. Same with the smaller one, you apply this on your skin 30 minutes. So, lahat siya og instructions, but I think the only importance is you apply this between 15 to 30 minutes before you expose your skin to the sun. That is for the sunscreen. Lastly, they also gave us their Nourishing Night Cream, which has bakuchiol and niacinamide, which repairs skin barrier, stimulates skin turnover, and corrects skin blemishes. And this tube is 10 grams. Directions for use. Spread a thin layer of the Nourishing Night Cream during nighttime over the face and neck. So, mao ni siya tanan ang naasulod sa Rejuvenating set sa Hello Glow. Alright? And lastly, I'll be talking about the 3-in-1 lifting serum, which is made in Korea. And this is also a product of Hello Glow. This is for anti-aging, firming, and moisturizing. This pouch is 20 grams and is made of sea berry extract, apple extract, and pomegranate extract. So it instantly tightens the face while hydrating it for a more youthful and glowing skin. Formulated with, again, I mentioned a while ago, sea berry extract, apple extract, and pomegranate extract. It improves fine lines and wrinkles, firms up and brightens the skin. It is also infused with green tea extract to help reduce blemishes. So for directions of use, apply a few drops of serum onto the palm of your hands and gently sweep over your entire face, including the neck. You can use this during the morning and nighttime. So those are the products that our friends from Hello Glow and Bilena gifted to us recently. Please do follow them in Facebook and Instagram, Hello Glow Official. And if you wish to order the products that I mentioned right now, please do search in Lazada, in Shopee, and Bilena Direct Sales, Hello Glow Official products. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you on my next vlog, lovies. And if you wish to support my channel, please don't forget to subscribe by tapping on the subscribe button below. And if you're watching this from Facebook, don't forget to like and follow my page. And if you have any questions about the products that I showed you during this video, feel free to leave them in the comment section below so that I can reply to it as soon as I read it. Thank you so much, and if you'd like to partner with me, feel free to email me at maan51989@hotmail.com for future brand collaborations. Thank you so much once again for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next vlog, lovies. Bye!
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.